Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to my podcast, Smashing Through with Rebecca Adams. I am so excited you're here on this episode. Topics include life, business, mindset, full of kick-ass content and high energy. Enjoy the podcast, and remember, you too can smash through and keep going always. Keep moving forward regarding anything and everything that you do. And the thing is that during your life, there's going to be trials and tribulations. There's going to be ups and downs. You know, we all want the up and up and up and up and up. Let's go like a roller coaster. But there's no stopping. There's no rewind. There's no Photoshop or changing anything. You can't go round with an eraser or a rubber going round rubbing everything. Everything is in pen that you do. Do you know what I mean? So think about it as you're walking, through life. You can't erase anything that you've said, anything that you've done, anything at all. If you're writing in a planner, I always say when you get your planner, write in pencil, and then you can change things if you need to maneuver things around. That's cool. But in life, everything's a pen, and you need to know that living your life is important. Making memories is important. Working on your mindset daily is important. Guess what? Being happy and enjoying life is important. And the biggie, you are important. So, what are you doing to really enhance your life, your work, your business, relationships? Because you do need to keep moving forward. Whether things are thrown at you, whether you've got different things to learn, lessons to learn, things are going a bit icky, things are up and down, you don't know whether you're coming or going, you've still got to keep moving forward through everything that you're doing, okay? But you've really got to think about your feelings and emotions at that point. So, and in every single moment, keep asking yourself, how do I feel about this situation? Because I know you want to feel good. You want to have an incredible life. You want to be happy. You want to have and make wonderful memories with friends and family and, travel maybe, or whatever it is that you want to be and do and have and create. I know that you want to be empowered and inspired and motivated. I know that you want to have a fantastic business, have a fantastic career, job, work, relationship, all of that. You want it all because you desire it, you want it, you really, really deserve it. And the thing is that you want to make everything amazing and have all of this goodness, and it's all there available for you. You've just got to want it, and you've just got to honestly keep moving forward with everything that you're doing because you're enough and you're worthy for it all. You don't need to justify yourself to everyone all the time. You don't need to hold yourself back. You don't need to stop yourself in your tracks. You don't need to procrastinate. You don't need to do any of this stuff. You are here for a short amount of time on earth. And if this podcast is really going to kick you up the bum to get you to do stuff, then let it be. Or just go through the rest of my podcast and choose out the titles that really, really resonate with you and go with that. Do you know what I mean? So the thing is that anything and everything can stop you in that moment so that you're in the victim mindset, so that you're sat there, you're upset, you're crying. Yeah, okay, feel the feelings, go through all of that. We went through that in the last podcast, number 147. But the thing is that you've got to keep moving forward with whatever. So my lifetime philosophy since I was 19 is keep going always. I'm 44 now, so I've been using it for a very, very long time. And keep going always is everything, because no matter what goes on in life, you've got to keep going always. Whether you go at 1 mile an hour, 2 mile an hour, or 60 miles an hour, it's entirely up to you. But you've got to keep moving forward. You can't go backwards. There is no Photoshop, there's no rewind, there's no change in everything. Everything is in pen. When you live your life, everything is in pen. Now, the thing is, you can't change anything that you've said or done. You can, apologise for things and things like that, but you can't change anything. So the best thing that you can do in order to keep moving forward is to really go into yourself and do the inner mindset work, the inner soul work, and work on happiness, kindness, love, and joy and forgiveness within yourself, and allow yourself to do that. It really is powerful. It will change things up. My program expansion can help you do all of that and so much more. So go into the show notes, click Rebecca Adams 187, and go to my programs and courses and go and have a look at expansion. It can really help you to release everything, clear all the blocks, change your life completely. But the one thing that I want to leave you with is that no matter what you are facing in your life, in any arena, life, business, personal, professional, relationships, anything, you can and will come through the other side. There is always light there. Okay, you've got to believe in yourself. You've got to keep moving forward, keep stepping forward, small baby steps, as my friend Andy Ashworth says, and always keep moving forward. And the thing is, Andy's got no legs, so he can do baby steps with his, prosthetics. And he moves forward in his wheelchair as well, you know what I mean? So the thing is that anything and everything can hold you back and hold you down if you allow it to. The thing is, you can't let it. You can't let it stop you. You can't let it hold you back. You've got to keep moving forward with everything. Keep going always. Keep driving forward, okay? Get the counselling, get the people on board, get a mentor like myself. Surround yourself with the right people who are going to cheerlead you, help you, but not help you to stay where you are, help you to move forward with everything that you're doing. And I'm so excited to hear from you, and let me know how you're getting on.